Hello, I'm Becky Ratz. I'm Assistant Superintendent for Cook County Schools, and I am so excited to read for you today. I'm going to read The Great Santa Stakeout. Freddy Melcher was Santa's #1 fan. He was the kind of kid who'd dress up as Santa for birthday parties and Valentine's Day, and even talk like a pirate day. Freddy had Santa posters, Santa action figures, and Santa underwear. He was even saving up to buy his own pet reindeer. But there was one prize Freddy desperately wanted: a photograph taken with Santa fresh out of the chimney. Oh, it was risky. As every good kid knows, Santa only visits when everyone is in bed. It's awfully hard to sneak anything by someone who can see you when you're sleeping and knows when you're awake. That's why Freddy had to be extra good this year at hiding his plans. Step 1. In Freddy's plan, string the roof with cans so the sleigh can't land undetected. Step 2, rig the whole living room with motion-sensitive cameras. Step 3, put the milk and cookies on a pressure-sensitive plate. Step 4, practice staying up late. Finally, it was Christmas Eve, and no one suspected a thing. Freddy was vigilant. It was almost midnight, and Santa should be here any second. Yeah, any. Crash! What was that? The cans on the roof? Disaster! Something big rolled right off the roof. Freddy tore outside. What have you done?
Yo-ho-ho!
This is the note Santa left. Nice try, Freddy. Signed, Santa. Santa had duped him and dashed. Freddy was angry. No, that's not it. Embarrassed? No, not that either. He was sobbing his heart out, pounding the snow, having the most broken tantrum of his short life. Well, actually, Freddy felt fantastic. While other kids were nestled all snug in their beds, Freddy had played hide and seek with his hero. He even had a note from Santa that he could add to his collection. So what if Santa got away this year? It's fine. Maybe it's for the best. Maybe no one can outwit Santa Claus. No one, that is, except Freddy. Hey, there's always next year. Merry Christmas, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful day.